So fall 2022 yard update. Summer's pretty much over, and we are starting to get ready for fall. Had pretty good results 2020 on the first overseeding. This year didn't catch a lot of the preventive weed maintenance like in February for my area, so had a new water line put in. This trench kind of just turned into weeds. I tried to throw some grass seed down and some Scott's starter fertilizer with a little bit of tenacity in it. Didn't work out. That's okay. I'm okay with switching it out slowly from weeds to grass. Garden bed's doing good. Added some lavender bushes. That was kind of rough. Added these in the spring. Ripped that up. It was starting to grow. It was like a season delayed. Planted that in 2021 fall. Didn't really start growing until spring, but I had already pulled it up from another location because I thought it was dying, but then I saw it start to blossom. So a lot of these plants, sometimes they end up sleeping for a season and then they kind of come to life. But right now we are working on getting the height of cut down. Usually I cut my mower right now. My Time Master's messed up. Got his belt squealing on it. So right now I only got my 21-inch push mower, and its highest cut is 3.75. Lowest cut 1.25 inches. I'm cutting the backyard at 1.25 inches. It's getting ready for some Kentucky bluegrass. And the front yard is just gonna get overseeded, cut tall, regular fescue bluegrass mix. Give it 2 weeks of no touching as far as like mow. But the backyard is gonna be some Kentucky bluegrass. I'll probably do another video showing the backyard process. I'll just get this video up just to kind of show the yard folks kind of what we're dealing with. A lot of different problems with this. Had a lot of work done at the house this year, so still getting things back situated. But overall, yard ain't too crazy. It's just a little grass. So